Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, Saturday morning. It's a beautiful morning in January, last Saturday in January, and I am headed out to the shooting range this morning with some of the guys from our church. It's going to be a fun time. We may be here, okay? We may be on one knee ducking around a pew. So platform really doesn't change as long as our handgun fundamentals are there. Side alignment, side pickers, press of the trigger. Does anybody have any questions on that? It's real short. Move to the next piece of cover. There he is. Give him some love. Let's try to maintain our target zone in the 9 ringing in. 9 ringing in, because if you look at your vitals on your body, feel your clavicle notch, feel your belly button. Come about 4 inches high of the belly button and right between your nipples. There's your vitals. Okay? We always want to try to aim high center because that's where all the mechanics are. If I hit you to gut, yeah, he's probably going to put you down, but it may not put you out of commission. I want to try to hit you high center where the heart and lungs are, chest bones, and make fragmentations. Make your wound cavity bigger. So always going to try to aim high center. Here, we're going to try to keep it in an 9 ring, which is about a notebook piece of paper. So if you was to take a sheet of notebook paper, start at your clavicle notch, it's somewhere here, and it stops somewhere right here. Just above the belly button, notch, right, left, and right, up and down the nipples. That's your good target zone. High center. Make sense? Brett. 555, minimal exposure. There he is. Some round. Corners, move the cover, slide out. Index. Holster. Great. Hey! Clear corners, move. Index, holster. Right. Bang, 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 bang. Right. Bang, 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 bang. Move with a purpose. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Move. Right. Holster. Oh, don't do this to me. Everybody got their ears on? Good. Right. Bang, 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 bang.
Threat. Bang, 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 bang.
All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That was just an absolute blast to get some training with those guys, with the Van Buren, Sebastian County, or Crawford County guys out here at their range. Just an awesome day. Thanks, guys, for doing that, doing some coaching and teaching of it for us, and for all the hard work that you guys do on a daily basis. Appreciate you. All right, guys, well, that wraps up this episode. It was short, it was sweet, but it was a heck of a lot of fun. A lot more fun on my part than I'm sure it was for you guys at home just watching. But hey, if you are a concealed carry type guy, or you can carry, period, man, make sure you're putting in some practice, because there were just little things that I would do, just little nuances, bad habits that I would do that those guys were just able to walk me through. A prime example. Getting that thumb back there when you shouldn't have. But great time. Appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great one, and thanks for watching.